The American marten is a small, agile mammal found in the forests of North America. Known for its slender body, pointed face, and bushy tail, this charming creature typically measures about 20 to 25 inches long. With its beautiful fur ranging from golden to dark brown, the marten is not only adorable, but also well adapted to its environment. They are excellent climbers, often seen darting through trees as they forage for small mammals, birds, and fruits. Their playful behavior and curious nature make them delightful to observe in the wild. The marten's combination of cuteness and agility highlights the enchanting diversity of forest wildlife.